Hello everyone, I want to share this beauty kit with you today. This is a very large assemblage of different things that you can use for your beauty routine. It is almost like a professionally based system that you can use at home. The thing that I'm most excited about is the pore reducing tool here. It can suction out dirt and grime in your pores. That's something that I'll be using a lot of. But there is many other things here. Especially if you suffer from acne or scars or things like that. There's a lot of things here to help reduce that. Very high-tech things. So the one here is kind of like a microdermabrasion tool. It has a bit of a blade on it that you can use. First of all, I want to note there's a different plug for each one, and you're going to make sure that you don't plug it in just right when you use it. And I'll demonstrate it later here. I'll show you this here. This is the rub it along the skin to just take off the actually dead skin cells and anything that's kind of on your skin if you don't want. Then there is these hot cold tools. There's these probes. There's this for acne scars and whatnot. And then there's flat. Same with this big hammer. Similar thing. I guess the heat is supposed to help open your pores up, so then like you're able to get like the dirt and grime out, and then the cold side you can use to just seal your pores up, and then it has that routine moisture, so when you put moisture on, it stays. So, and then there's all these little different heads for the pore section. And then this here is it's a healing light. You can put it in different colors, and I know that you can use that, and that will help like reduce scarring and stuff like that. And it has pulses, like pulses, and it doesn't hurt at all. It's actually nice on there, and it's just help your skin grow and activate and reduce wrinkles and that kind of thing. So, assemblage was really easy. I just screwed this on the back right here, and then just kind of put the tools up. I appreciate how it's all there, and you don't have to like go through the box for it. So it's there when you're ready to use it, and then when you're done, you want to just take it apart. It comes with little felt pads for each use here, so when you pop this in here, and there's a felt pad in between this one here, and then at the end of this section too. That way, that's how it stays clean for each use. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this here. I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so here I have it in a vacuum here, and I'm going to try it out and see how it works. I kind of gave it a test run already, to test the intensity, just to make sure it wasn't too rough at first. So it's simple. Just plug it in here, make sure those filters are on at both ends, and then you just turn it on, and this adjusts the intensity here, and you don't want to start it too high because you don't want to really hurt your skin so much. So just kind of try this off. I even kind of just gave it a little try on my hand first just to see how intense it was. So I'm going to turn down a bit more before we start. And then the trick is, I was watching some videos, is when you use it on your face, you just want to keep it movable and just like leave it there and basically give yourself a hickey. So what you want to do is you want to just keep it in a moving motion here. It's my ear, so I can see what I'm doing. So I wash my face, and it's all fresh and clean, so this is like whatever is left over. And just quickly clean your skin with suction. T-zone areas where you're just going to have the most dirt and oil. It's very simple. Here up close so you can see. but afterwards, some final thoughts here. Just, it's not as intimidating as it looks. It's super easy to set up and use. Just plug in, use the video online is really helpful too. So just watch that and you'll be able to start pretty easy. But yeah, you can feel it working. It's magic here, and this will just keep my skin that much cleaner and pores smaller, and it'll be a great thing to have. Okay, some final thoughts here. It was not as hard to put together and use as I thought. It was a little intimidating at first with all the parts and pieces, but the setup was super simple, and the video online they have on Amazon was just this video and watch it, and it shows you how to get it together and really easy. And then just the use of it was pretty simple, so I like how straightforward it is for our use, and I can tell that it really it's going to help my face, like the pores, stay clean and shrink them, which I'm really excited about because who doesn't want that? So yeah, this is a really nice piece, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, if you're looking for like a home microdermabrasion machine, this is a really nice one, and I think you can get a lot of use out of this. Many different